The Secret Garden and Pollinator. Most lovers of dried fruit must have had a bite of dry fig. Did you know that when eating a fig, you are becoming a frugivore? That is an animal dependent on the abundance and nutritional composition of fruits, as well as an entomophage, which is the human practice of eating insects. If you are getting your fruits from your local market, then don't worry, you are not. But if you are eating figs from a wild fig tree, then you're definitely eating some decayed wasp too. Have you ever seen a fig tree with bunches of fruits? Let's have a look at it. You may see a fig tree in the middle of a deep forest. Watch carefully. The tree itself is an ecosystem. You can hear the melody of birds, the buzzing of bees, and the chorus of cicadas. You can see the marching of ants around the tree barks, voracious caterpillars eating fig leaves, and spiders weaving webs in a hurry, and so on. The tree bears bunches of green fruits. Those bunches are not the exact fruits. Instead, they are the inflorescence, meaning a group of flowers. One such inflorescence bundle with green color and fruit shape is called ciconia. Don't flowers need to be attractive and fragrant? Every flower needs a pollinator, but what will happen if the tree is hiding the flowers inside a cavity? Well, it is waiting for a special guest, the fig wasp. When the female flowers are mature, the fig tree sends an enticing aroma that attracts only female fig wasps, specific to that fig tree. Fig wasps are the specialized pollinators of fig trees. The intimate relationship story of fig and fig wasp starts here. The fig wasp enters each of the fruit or ciconia through a tiny opening at its apex. Even though fig wasp is a special guest, the entry through the pore is not an easy task. It'll lose its wings and antenna while entering through the opening. The guest comes inside the secret garden with a special gift too, the pollen from another fig tree. As the antennae and wings are lost, life outside is impossible for the wasp. Hence it lays eggs on some flowers inside the ciconia. While doing so, it pollinates the other flowers with the collected pollen from another fig tree. The life of a fig wasp ends after the completion of egg laying. The flowers act as a breeding nursery for the laid eggs. The males hatch first, and once they come out, they quickly mate with the females, which are still in the cocoon. Their other duty is to help the females to fly away from the fig nest. They start carving an exit for the females, and then the males die inside the fruit itself. Meanwhile, after mating, females emerge from the cocoon and collect the pollen from the matured male fig flowers and simply escape through the hole made by their mating partners. The female, in favor of providing a nursery to her and her siblings, carries the pollen to another fig tree. But if she does not carry the pollen, the tree she visits has a mechanism to punish such lazy wasps. They drop such fruits and it decays in the soil, so that the eggs laid by lazy wasps can't hatch. The ciconia, after the emergence of wasps, become a sweet and attractive fruit with seeds ready for disposal. The benefit of this exclusive relationship is that both the partners can evolve specific and efficient strategies and adaptations to support each other. The female loses its wings and antennae, but in turn it gets a breeding nursery with extreme protection. The tree is waiting for the fig wasps alone, but it assures that the pollen from another fig tree only comes inside the flowers. So the relationship story of fig wasp and fig tree ends here. If this story is so smooth, each and every fig wasp egg would emerge and there would be more than an abundant number of fig wasps. But nature does not allow that. It interferes in this relationship with the help of some parasitic wasps. The entry to ciconia is allowed only for fig wasps. So how can this parasitic wasp attack a fig wasp egg? Try finding the answer for yourself. There are numerous fascinating stories from the world around you. Try to observe them. Be gentle and kind with every little form of life around you, because each creature has its own unique purpose within the mystical realms of nature.